Organizing the Native MS Summit was something that was a long time in the coming. I think that for the academic community doing Native MS, this is something that they've wanted. For the BioPharma community, which has taken notes from those academics, they've had a lot of questions, and this is a great environment which we had this cross-talk, this exchange of information, and we could do this in an environment where at Thermo we could get this feedback and talk about how our technology might offer solutions or how we might consider the needs to adapt our technology moving forward.
It is a combination of the decision makers from Thermo as well as the top academic groups that are specialists in native mass spectrometry, and then also some of us from industry that are using these techniques on a daily basis. And so getting these three different groups together in one place to sit in a room and talk about something that we're all passionate about, it's been amazing.
And it's something that really creates a roadmap almost for the next 3 to 4, even 5 years. And that's pretty exceptional, right? For a company to say, we are going to think strategically and partner with people outside or in close collaboration and really rethink the next 5 years.
I think it's progressively more and more important to work closely together, and currently it's impossible to solve specific problems by working alone in the lab. Complex problems, they require collaboration, and they require collaborative efforts from many academic labs, many industrial labs. We have to work with instrument development companies, with biopharmaceutical companies. This is important.
Yeah, you know, the modern academician, when we seek to advance our science and technology, modern mass spectrometry is complicated enough that you really, except for a few in the field, partnering with a vendor is a really effective way to do that.
You know, Thermo Fisher is doing some things really good, I think. First of all, they are certainly community driven, and so they listen to what are the problems and they try to provide solutions.
We consider our collaborations with leading academics to be a very important part of our product conception and development and ultimate implementation. The academics in these top research labs are pushing the envelope of what can be done both scientifically, putting demands on us from a technology standpoint to give them hardware and software that can answer the sophisticated questions that are being asked. This pushes us, and ultimately there's a trickle-down effect that these approaches and technologies can ultimately be applied in a routine environment.
For me, there has been a clear benefit because you can ask the wildest questions. You know, it's not always, oh, can you make my signal twice as big? It's more these questions, oh, this is impossible, but. And I think when you have a listening ear within the company and someone who can actually work on these long-term projects, this is very valuable.
The academic groups are the ones that are just miles ahead and are thinking about, they're doing things, you know, they did things years ago that we're just starting to do today. Industry is the real application of the techniques, and the vendors are the ones that make our dreams happen.